Jasper AI free trial. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can get a free trial for Jasper AI. First thing you want to do is click the affiliate link at the top of the description and it will take you over to a page that looks like this. You'll see there are two separate buttons that will allow you to start your free trial. Simply click on one of those and follow the next steps. So once you've clicked that button, you'll see you'll be able to start your free trial either using your Google account or signing up with an email. The easiest way to do it is with a Google account, but let me show you how to do it with your email. Simply click on continue with email, input your email here and click on continue. Once you've done that, they're going to send you a verification code to your email address. So just go ahead and check your email address and enter the code here and click on continue. Once you've verified your email, input in that code, simply enter in your first and last name here and click on create account. Once you've done that, you're going to have to select which plan you would like to get started with after your free trial ends. Now, don't worry, you can always cancel your account in the first 7 days of your trial, so you don't have to spend a penny. However, if you are somebody who's planning on using Jasper after the 7-day free trial, make sure you select an option that works best for you. In this case, I'm going to go with the Teams at $99 a month. That's billed annually after my 7-day free trial. Simply select which one you'd like to do and just click on Start Free Trial. Once you've done that, you can simply enter in your card information, the name on your card, your country or region, agree to their terms of service if you agree to them, and start your trial. This is going to give you 7 days completely free before you have to spend a penny on Jasper. And again, if you don't like Jasper within that 7-day free trial, feel free to simply reach out to support or just cancel your account in the back office and you will never have to spend a penny. However, most people that get started with Jasper after their 7-day free trial typically stay on because they love all of the services that Jasper provides. So that's exactly how you can get a Jasper free trial. Let me know in the comment section down below if you got your free trial and what you think of Jasper AI. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with somebody else who wants to get a Jasper free trial. Once again, use the link at the top of the description to get your 7-day free trial of Jasper AI right now.